Good day guys, welcome to another cars review here in M Auto Garage.
Give her that vibe, can't get nowhere else. Cigarettes in the air, she touching herself. Glass walls, penthouse in the hotel. Reoccurring dream that we both fell. Me and her cool if we chillin' in hell. She and chinchilla love white like a tail. Ripping the fur when she feeling me swell. Fixing the fucker, she fixing the yell. Fuck her like I just got out of the cell. Both of the powder, no powder for sale. Tony Montana, the power for sale. Given G tucks, I'ma come on a veil.
What you're looking right now is a 2012 Honda City 1.5e top-of-the-line variant. Finished in that clean and classic taffeta white. All stock, all original at sobrang alaga. Acquired from first owner, newly buff, walang dents, walang retoke. Preskong-presko, parang bago pa rin. Yung harapan, still rocking the OEM Honda grille. May konting chrome accent, may angas pero hindi OA. No damage, no faded spots, lahat pantay. Head turner pa rin hanggang ngayon. Ang headlamps natin naka all stock halogen, malinaw and no cracks. Kasama pa yung fog lamps, also stock din, built in sa bumper. Lakas maka-executive look. Riding on full OEM wheels with tires, hindi aftermarket, hindi pinalitan. No curb rash, hindi patabingi, kita mo pa threading. Good for long drives, good for daily. Ang side mirrors natin ay may integrated signal lights, functional, stylish and safe. Hindi basta-basta side mirror lang. Sa likod, may kita mo pa yung original iVTEC emblem, proud and loud. OEM din ang taillights, no cracks, malinaw at clean finish all around. Sa likod, maluwag ang storage. Kasya ang 2 to 3 maleta, boxes or anything you need for a long trip. Ready for road trips or weekend errands. Hindi kabitin sa space. The steering wheel is compact, makapit sa kamay at sobrang responsive. Perfect for tight turns, traffic driving or highway cruising. Mukha pa ring bago, no fade, no peeling. At syempre, ito yung panalo. May paddle shifter, hindi lahat ng city ganito. Gives you that sporty, manual feel kahit naka-automatic ka. Sobrang saya i-drive, pang fun and function. Stock head unit, still working great. Knob type, gear shifter is smooth. Walang sabit, walang lagkit. All buttons functional, lahat stock, kahit music sound system, maayos pa. Get this 48,000 original mileage. Hindi yan tinampered, pwede mo i-scan. Dalhin sa kasa, no problem. That's very 4K a year. Ang tipid gamitin, pang collector vibes. Sa interior, napaka-intact. Walang lamat, walang tanggal. Aircon, ice cold. Pwede kang magyelo sa loob kahit tanghaling tapat. Sa likod, sobrang linis. Upholstered seats, may custom covers, mabango, and looks barely used. Family friendly, pet friendly, and pang date din kung gusto mo. And now, let's talk about presyo at options. Cash price, we have 388,000 negotiable pa upon viewing. For financing, kayang-kaya mo to for as low as 160,000 all in cash out with monthly terms up to 36 months. May uwi mo na ang city na to. Gusto mo ng mas mababang down payment? PM us! We'll work it out, mabilis approval, legit kausap. Kasama na sa deal ang transfer of ownership, full tank, heavy duty car cover, back to zero sanitation, interior at exterior detailing. At ito pa, we also accept credit card payment or trade-in deals. Kaya san ka pa? Ikaw na lang talaga ang hinihintay nito. This is not just a car. This is a rare low mileage, all stock 2012 Honda City 1.5e na ready sa next owner. Kung gusto mo ng presko, tipid, maangas at pangmatagalan, eto na yon. Ready ka na? Message us now at i-test drive mo na ito. Thanks guys and see you sa next ride.